Dude, I'm taking a video. Move your head, Eli.
Oh, Rosie.
I should pass right now.
Get some points.
You should.
You know.
Rosie.
What is it, like 20 to 1?
No.
She's gonna hit a bullseye.
Oh, bullseye! Yeah! Woo! We win!
Do we have to keep going?
It feels like it's right on, but it's not right on. Can you go one more round?
No more.
Sully.
Do
the dance and I'll let you do another round.
Hey, get on. I'm doing it. Don't do it. Get on. Back up. Wendy, move. Black girl. Later.
But wait, you have to go first.
No, I already went. I got the white.
Okay, so one more round? How about they two go first? Go first and we'll have to do one of the Sure, Burgundy, go.
Wendy, blackmail later. Do it again.
Now do it in. Yes, you are. You do it in. We should have like your hands come out of my like neck, and I'll be doing it, and it looks like I'm like no, it's just gotta be.
Oh, hey, were you at Mr. FHS? Jacob did like the.
Ooh.
Oh, gunshot.